I'm Dee over here on Dee's Roads, and this is my first Vlogmas ever. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, and we're going to be talking about 15 budget-friendly must-have gifts for car campers, SUV campers, van lifers, so on and so forth. All of these 15 budget items are also under $15. Some exciting news, I will be hosting a giveaway on December 20th. So I'll share the details of the giveaway that will happen on December 20th at 5 p.m. I'll share those details at the end of this video on how you can enter to win, to be one of the 3 winners for that budget gift giveaway. All right, so before we get started, I just want to let you know that links to the items that I'm about to show you all will be in the description of this video. Let's get it started. So the first item is under $5. Actually, these first few items are going to be under $5. And that is a zippered pillowcase or a zippered pillow cushion, couch cushion. So what I like about these, see the zipper there, woohoo. I got this at IKEA for $3.99 and they have a lot of different colors. I just like these greens. So the cool thing about these is that you can fit extra things in here. Like you can fit clothes, you can fit sheets, you can fit blankets, pillowcases, other pillow covers. It's just a really nice way to stay organized, but also bring extra covers, and extra clothes with you. So it doubles as a pillow and also a storage area for your clothes or extra bedding, things like that. The second item that is usually you can find under $5 at places like Five Below, Walmart, Target, is a fleece blanket. So especially in the wintertime, it's always nice to have extra blankets and, to prepare for those really cold nights. Another great thing that they can substitute as is a car curtain or a divider between your driving area and the back area. So you can use it to keep warm, and you can also use it for privacy, for window covers. The third item is binder clips. So I use binder clips to hang up my curtains in the car. You can get these pretty cheap at, Walmart, Target, Amazon, Temu, all those lovely places. You can use them to hang up curtains. You can use them to hang up clothes, blankets, lights. You could probably use those to hang up lights. Speaking of lights, another really great gift option that is in budget under $5, fairy lights. So I have these fairy lights hung up all over the car, and I got those at Target for under $5. Again, you could probably find those at Amazon, Temu, Walmart, things like that for under $5. So it's, cheap lighting. Oh, and one thing that I do want to mention, get USB rechargeable fairy lights or any type of lights. That way you don't have to worry about carrying around batteries, or the person that you're going to gift this to doesn't have to worry about carrying around batteries. Have it be USB rechargeable. So that was under all the items for under $5 that I highly recommend you can give as a gift to any of your friends or family that enjoy van lifing, car camping, SUV camping, even maybe RV camping, things like that. Okay, so let's move on to gifts under $10. So the first one I want to talk about is a USB rechargeable fan. You can get these for under $10. As you can see, this one has a clip, so I can clip it onto different items and hang it where I need it to be. It has a high, medium, and low setting. Again, it's USB rechargeable, so you can recharge this with a power station or one of those little portable power banks. Those can be found at like Amazon, Temu, things like that. Probably maybe during the summer months, Walmart. I got that one at Ollie's, and I haven't been able to find it when I go back to Ollie's. My second item for under $10 is an insulated travel mug. So that kind of is, self-explanatory. It's always nice to have an insulated mug. That way, when you're making coffees or soups or oatmeal or whatever, you have something insulated to keep your beverages warm or cold or hot or whatever, regardless of the weather. And, a lot of times they're less likely to cause a mess by spillage. The next item under $10 is if I can get it out, a pour over coffee filter. So I happen to get this one off of Amazon, and just let me show you. You probably already know, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So all you do is you get your hot water, get your cup, you put this filter on the edge of that cup, and it sits like that. This one happened to come with a little scoop that also keeps your coffee bags closed. You just scoop in your coffee, boom, 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 add in your water, and there you go. You have a cheap solution to make coffee that doesn't make a whole bunch of mess, and it's small and portable and fits into most cups that you're probably going to have. The next thing that I forgot to bring with me, little manual can opener. You can get those from Dollar Tree. If you do get them from Dollar Tree, I would suggest buy a few of them because they break. And then last on my under 10 list is magnetic curtains. So underneath this curtain that I made, I still use my magnetic curtains, and they have come in really handy. I got them off of Emu. I got those magnetic car covers for all 4 door windows. I think they were like $5 total on Temu, and they're really easy to put up. You just, they're magnetic, so you just push them up against the magnetic area of the top of the windows, and boom, they latch on. Another thing that I like about them is if you need to leave your windows, just a little bit cracked, they kind of hang out a little bit, so it allows for that airflow and that circulation. And when you use that in combination with your USB rechargeable fan, you get some nice circulation and air going in your vehicle. They're quick and easy to set up, and they don't really take up a lot of space when you do take them down. And they're strong enough to where if you want to leave them up, you can. And then the last category for great budget gifts for even yourself, splurge on yourself, or a family or friends that enjoy car camping or similar. Under $15. So the first thing, I have to turn off my lights here for this, but my first thing that I would suggest is a portable power bank. I got this off of Amazon for $13. It has 2 USB ports here, and then it has your, I ain't gonna lie, but it has your areas where you can charge like things like your phone that are not USB-Cs or whatever. I'll have to look and I'll put in the video, somewhere on the video, what these are called, because I can't remember at this point. But this is your little charge indicator. This is your power button. As long as you have all 4 lights right there, then you are fully charged. Of course, as the lights diminish, so does your power. But this little thing is great. It's great for keeping your USB lights going without having to hook it up to a portable power station, like, one of the expensive ones. I also plug in my LED lights that I got off of Temu for this. I use it to recharge my fan when I need to. Let me fix these lights here. Okay. I use it to recharge my fan when I need to. It serves a lot of different purposes. You can charge your phone, you can charge your laptop, you can charge your tablets, things like that. It's just a great solution for $13 to have power when you need it without spending hundreds of dollars on a portable power station. Okay. My next item under $15 is this little mini oven. It's like a little heated lunchbox. And so you plug it into the cigarette outlet in your car. It has 3 different modes. I think it's like high, medium, and low. And what you do is, let's say, for example, well, first, before I do that, and it has a little heating plate inside of it. See there? And like this insulation material on the inside. So let's say, for example, you want something quick and easy, and you don't want it to consume a lot of wattage, and maybe you're driving. You can make yourself a grilled cheese sandwich with this. You just slap on some butter on the bread, put some cheese in there, wrap it up in some Reynolds aluminum wrap, put it in here, and it'll heat as you drive. I definitely don't recommend using this if you're not driving. So if you're going to plug things like this into your car, you definitely want to make sure you will be driving while you're using it. I don't know, soup. You can put all kinds of things in here to heat up food while you're on the go quickly. All right, the next option that's really awesome is an immersion heater. I just found out about this about a month or two ago. You can boil water super quick. So basically what you do is you just put this coil part into water. There's a line here that tells you the min and max where you need to keep that water level at. It has a little hook that you can hook onto the side of your cup. And this one is AC power, so I plug it into my Blue Eddy to boil water. I do believe there are options out there that have the DC where you can plug it into your car while it's running, while you're driving. I think there are options like that. But the link that I'm going to give you is the one for this AC, and it does have an on-off switch. So quick and easy way to heat up water for coffee, tea, oatmeal, things like that. Rice, I don't know, maybe instant rice. All right, and then this last thing that I want to show you under $15 is this multi-use toolkit. So this little guy comes with like a mini axe that I have found quite useful, believe it or not. It also has this little hammer area. If I kind of let go of this area here, I can use it as pliers with this area right up in there. And then it also has handy tools on it. So you have like a little pocket knife thing. You have a Phillips head screwdriver. You have, I don't know what this is, like a little mini handsaw, I guess. Can opener and another version of a knife. So this has come in handy. It's always good to have. You can also use it as a weapon to protect yourself if need be. And one thing that I think I forgot with under $5 is like a mini cubby or cubie, these little things right here. Usually you can find these at like Dollar Tree, Five Below, sorry about the camera, Walmart, Target, things like that for under $5. And it's just nice to have to keep your space better organized. You can put little kitchen stuff in there. You could put your clothes in there. It's just another way to stay organized and neat. So those are the 15 items that you can purchase for your friends and family. That's under $15 for folks who enjoy car camping, SUV camping, and the likes. So as I promised, let's talk about the giveaway details, how you can win some of these budget items that I showed during this Vlogmas Day 1 video. Okay, so on December 20th at 5 o'clock, I'll post a video. There will be 3 winners drawn during that video. And all you have to do to enter the drawing is to comment on the videos between now, December 1st, and December 18th, because I'll need some time before the 20th to get all of those, all of your usernames out of the comments and put them into a hat or a tin can, something. I'll put them in something. Heck, maybe I'll put them in my sink and choose that way. So December 20th, 5 o'clock, I'm going to announce the 3 winners of the giveaway. All you have to do is enter comments on the videos between now and December 18th. The more comments you enter, the more comments you submit, the more you comment, the more submissions you will get into the giveaway to win some items from this budget-friendly video. The grand winner is going to win 3 items. It'll be 1 item from the $5 bracket, 1 item from the $10 bracket, and 1 item from the $15 bracket. The second runner-up winner is going to receive 1 item from the under $10 bracket, and then the third winner is going to receive 1 item from the under $5 bracket. So December 20th, 5 o'clock, I'll announce those winners. You'll have 48 hours to contact me with your information on where you want me to mail your items. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you are notified when these Vlogmas videos post. Especially subscribe if you enjoy car camping content. I thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for engaging with me and supporting D's Roads. And if you subscribe, welcome to our little D's Roads community. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3.